Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Buttercup, a Powerpuff Girl. Let's begin by drawing the shape of her face. Next, her hair bangs. Let's draw her big round eyes. Buttercup is one of the main characters in the Powerpuff Girls, along with her sisters Blossom and Bubbles. Buttercup is the toughest fighter. She's the bravest, most headstrong of the superhero trio. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. Her lip. Next, her short hair. I'm drawing her arms. Then, the shape of her body and feet. And striped shirt. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to Buttercup. She has lime green eyes. Her short hair is black with a small triangular part on her forehead. As a girl who behaves in a boyish manner, Buttercup enjoys having fun. This characteristic might have indicated her violent and aggressive personality. Buttercup constantly seems to be in the mood to fight, while her sisters are more inclined to flee. Her skin is cream-colored. Buttercup hates losing the most of all the things on her list of pet peeves. Unlike Blossom and Bubbles, she will never give up. Given her focus on harm and triumph, she deserves to be called the toughest fighter. She wears a lime green dress that has a black stripe in the middle of it. Buttercup wears white tights and black shoes. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.